All right, everyone, welcome back. We're going to be going over trend line liquidity and build-ups. So trend line liquidity is pretty simple. It's simply the typical trend line that the retail traders use, the one that has multiple touches and they anticipate price to hold. And they keep on buying, 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 buying until eventually it takes them out, right? And the same thing vice versa for sellers, typical retail trend line. That's pretty much trend line. It's liquidity being built, right, just above the trend line or below the trend line. The buildup, which can also be a channel or a flag, it's simply when price is ranging just like this, whether it's a flagpole, right, whether it's some type of pendant. I don't know how the retail patterns look anymore, been a very long time, all right? Something like this. This is building up liquidity. This is just build up of liquidity because eventually it's gonna blast. Then it's gonna take out this, and then it's gonna come back down and take out this. So it's gonna take out liquidity from both sides. It's building up liquidity from both sides. So it broke to the upside, convincing you that we're gonna go long, but then it takes you out. It breaks to the downside, convincing you that it's gonna go short, and then it goes back up again. Right? It's simply just building up to make a manipulation. That's how it is. So trend liquidity, again, pretty straightforward. The retail trend line. And then we have the buildup, which can be a flag, um, a pendant. I think that's what they call it. Been a long time. But I know it's a flag, a channel. That's just the basic liquidity. So at the end of the day, trend liquidity and the buildup, they come being the same thing and they look similar. So don't stress it out too much because it's just something that we need to know and to be aware of, right? To be aware of these types of liquidities because they will come in handy down the road in the course. But these are the type of liquidities that we mainly focus on is trend liquidity, high and low liquidity, and then we have the channel liquidity, which is the buildup, right? But that's it for now, guys. On to the next one.